Hey y'all, good morning. Hope y'all doing well. This is your girl Tony, your baker here at Cookies and Ish. I'm actually up making a dinner for tonight. Actually, I'm actually making buttered chicken and garlic and veggies. The veggies are carrots and potatoes. I'm actually making the butter sauce right now. I'll let y'all in on this. I'll show y'all the crock pot first because I'm making it in the crock pot, of course, because it's going to take about 8 hours to cook and that kind of thing. So by the time I get home, it'll be a little bit over 8 hours, but that's okay. But like I said, it'll be on low all day. So let me show y'all what I'm whipping up. Like I said, this is the carrots. You see the carrots over there is about a small bag of carrots. 4 chicken thighs, and then I cut up 3 potatoes and put those in there. And like I said, I have the butter and garlic mixture. Right now the butter is melting, I guess I put it that way, with the garlic. And I have what is that stuff called? Italian seasoning. I have a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper in here as well. So with this mixture, actually I'm going to pour it over the chicken actually. Trying to get this butter off of her so everything will be buttery up here, y'all. So let me cut that on off. And like I said, I'm going to be pouring this over the chicken and potatoes and carrot mixture. I guess I put it that way. And like I said, this will cook all day, y'all. And ain't nothing I got to do with it. Really, just let it cook. I guess it's that way. That's all I got to do. So just let it cook, let it cook, let it cook, let it cook, let it cook. Well, like I said, I got to get the rest of this garlic up out of here, y'all. But like I said, this will be on low all day. Let me actually turn this around. Like I said, this will be on low all day. The only thing I have to do, of course, is just, like I said, turn it on and put the crock pot on low, and that's it. And like I said, this is a simple meal. I actually found this meal on Pinterest. I love using Pinterest for stuff. So I'm going to always add my little stuff to it. I guess I put it that way as well. But this recipe I actually kept, for the most part, kind of kept the same. I say kind of, but kind of kept the same. As y'all know, y'all may have seen some other cooking demos I have. I'm always adding something to it. So, but like I said, this is the meal for today. It's going to cook in this crock pot on low all day. So, like I said, I want to bring y'all in on this part. And I got another announcement coming tonight, actually. I'll let y'all know what that is later. I'm smelling my hands. I love garlic, y'all. It smells so good. But like I said, definitely I'll let y'all in on the next little thing I have to tell y'all tonight. I guess I put it that way because I'll do a video with y'all tonight. So I'm excited about that. So like I said, definitely when I come home, dinner is done. I guess I put it that way. So y'all take care again. Like I said, I got this recipe off Pinterest. It's very simple. It's just a half a cup of butter, garlic. I put minced garlic in there, salt and pepper. Poured it all over the chicken, the potatoes, and the carrots. That's it. And it's going to cook for 8 hours. So like I said, that was it. Like I said, very, very easy recipe. I've never made this particular one before. But like I said, I'll let y'all know how it tastes later on, y'all. So like I said, take care. And like I said, I hope this meal prep helps somebody. Like I said, I'm trying to learn how to cook in the crock pot more and more. Because I know with us working, running businesses, doing all these kind of things, we need the food to be done when we get home. I guess I put it that way. So like I said, this is the simplest way that I can think of. Casseroles are good too because I make casseroles as well. But like I said, this is very simple for me to do. Prep it in the morning, come home and eat. Do everything else I gotta do later on that afternoon, so I won't have to worry about the food. So like I said, hopefully this helps some busy family out there. Plan their meals for the week. I guess I put it that way. Not just with this meal, but like I said, there's other meals that you can make. And I'll start sharing some of those things. I've made many of crock pot meals on video. So I did cooking demos. So I'll definitely share some of that with y'all. Some of the ones that I love, I guess I put it that way. So like I said, y'all take care. I'll talk to y'all later on tonight. Take care, y'all. Have a great day.